Hi, so what I got here is the bed in a box Slumber Solutions, and this is a memory foam 1 foot high queen size bed in a box. So you can see the box itself is relatively small. It's all compressed in there, and compared to the queen size bed, the box is tiny in comparison. But don't be alarmed when it comes and you could see that it's really that small. So let me go ahead and basically start unboxing it. So the mattress comes wrapped in 2 layers of plastic. Once you peel off the initial layer of plastic, it starts inflating. So here you can see it's all rolled up, it's all compressed. So just to give you a relative size here, I have it right next to the queen size bed frame, and that's the mattress all compressed up and rolled up. So that's just a comparative size. So I'm just cutting off the first layer of plastic here. So after cutting the first layer of plastic, there's going to be a second layer. So it's basically double wrapped with the same amount of stuff just to keep the compression and to keep it airtight. So here, just cutting away the second layer. So once you remove those 2, there's actually a third layer. But already right now you can hear that air is just seeping into the mattress and it's starting to expand. So you kind of hear that a little bit already with the removal of the 2 layers. So you pretty much have to cut up the third layer really quickly. So got it on the bed here and gonna cut out the third layer of plastic. And you can see it expands very rapidly afterwards. Just cutting it, you see how it's just expanding. It's starting to expand now. It's basically, so this is a 1 foot, and it's, just basically normal size. Once it gets a taste of the air, it happens very rapidly. So you can see it just pops up there, basically to 1 foot. And it's for the most part now expanding. Now you do have to let it air out for a couple of hours. So just want to give you a look here of the mattress on the bed itself. So this is a memory foam, and you can see it's a 1 foot high memory foam, so it seats right into the platform beds very nicely. So the bed itself here is a IKEA mound, queen size platform bed. And let me push against the bed here and the mattress to give you a sense of the firmness. So this particular one is medium. Of course, this is the corner that I'm pushing against. And you can see here a little bit towards the center. It is pretty much like your typical memory foam mattress if you're used to that. And the sides are a little bit slumped, but that's typical of any mattress. But that's really it. I hope this helps. Please subscribe, and thank you for watching.